Hello you lovely bunch, welcome back to another build. Today this one's going to be a heart shaped tea light candle holder. My wife's seen it and she liked the look of it, so I said I'd make her one to try her hand out, you know. So we ain't doing much today. All we got to do is put these together and clamp them down and wait for them to dry. It's not too hard. I did run it through the planer before the start of the video, but once they're on, I'll run it through my joiner, through the thickness planer, so we can get them all the same level and looking nicer. But first, we're just going to glue these bad boys together and get that started. Oh, messy job, man. Alright, so we're just going to leave this dry, and then we will go on to it, cut the heart shapes out and finish the job. This shouldn't take too long, to be fair. Yeah, catch me on the next, when that's dry, we'll get back to it. Alright guys, so we have got the woods joined together for the tea light candle holder. So we're going to run this through the thickness planer, just because there's a bit of a lip and I want it to be flush. And then what we do then is we cut it in half, we draw out the hearts, get them cut out. Okay, just gone through the joiner, lovely and flat now, well, flatter than it was anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to saw down the middle here, just so we've got two separate halves to work with, and then we'll draw the hearts. So just enjoy watching me saw this boarding up. Alright guys, right, so we have the hearts cut out. I'm pretty sure this, I might use this piece as my bottom just because I'm missing a bit of wood there, if you can see. So that will be my bottom piece. So this one here will be my top. So what we're going to do, we're going to aim for have 3 going up here, kind of thing. So we should draw circles on there, then we're going to cut them out. And then glue them together. And once it's glued, then I might chuck it back on the bandsaw just so I can straighten up some of these edges so they're all flush. They're all good, looking straight. So yeah, we're going to cut these out and then glue it together. Right, we got the holes cut out. I had to sand them a little bigger. I think my drill piece isn't the right size, but so we just had to get my little drum and sander out and sand them. So now we're gonna glue these on as much. We might not need to actually. We could just probably sand that all smooth. So now we're gonna glue this on here and clamp it, and then we're gonna wait for it to dry. So yeah, let's get gluing it. Hello guys, welcome. It is dry. Well, hopefully it's dry. Taking out the clamps. Right, so it's looking dry. It's not looking kind of round here and a bit far over there, but we're gonna put it on the sander and clean up these edges, and then give it a quick once over with the sand. Okay guys, here you go. That's all dried up. Shiny, looking nice. Could have done a little something look differently in the things, but anyway. There you go. It's nice. I mean, I could have stained it or something, but I don't know. I feel like natural looks alright. Especially this bit here is looking all nice. Little sap mark. And I was thinking as I was making it, coming up to Valentine's Day. Well, by the time this is posted, Valentine's Day will be probably over. So, but this will probably make a good Valentine's Day present, guys. So if you're thinking about it, you know, next year, can't think of anything to make, or anniversary, or whatnot, you know, if your missus likes the rustic stuff, then have a bash. You know, you never know, you might be able to make it better. You know, you could put some stain on it or something. I was thinking of putting a stain on it, but I decided not to. But yeah, I'll show you a picture. I'll show you a quick clip with the lights on it and whatnot. If you want to see more pictures of it, go to my Instagram. And yeah, if you like what you see, you know, subscribe. It is free, makes me feel better. If not, leave a like. And if you have any ideas of what I should build, just leave a comment. Anyway, guys, peace out, and I'll see you on the next video. Alright.